In today's video, I am going to teach you how to easily integrate Notion and Google Sheets with automated two-way updates. To get started, head over to Zapier and make sure you are on the main home screen. Zapier is the tool we will use to connect your apps so that updates can move between Notion and Google Sheets automatically. Before you build any automations, it is important to confirm that your accounts are connected properly, because missing connections are one of the most common reasons a workflow fails. From the home area, find and click App Connections. This is where Zapier keeps a list of all the apps you have authorized, like Notion and Google Sheets. Once you are inside App Connections, look through the page and select the areas that let you manage and review your existing connections. You may see sections that highlight connected apps or options related to authentication. Take a moment to confirm that the apps you need are listed and ready. Next, click Add Connection. Zapier may show more than one Add Connection button depending on where you are on the page, but they all lead to the same goal: linking an app to your Zapier account. Go ahead and click Add Connection again as you move through the prompts. If Zapier opens a connection window, follow the on-screen sign-in and permission steps for the app you are connecting. Make sure you approve access so Zapier can read and update the data you plan to sync. A helpful tip is to connect the exact Notion workspace and the exact Google account that owns the sheet you will use to avoid permission issues later. After you finish adding the connection, click into the highlighted area that confirms the connection is in place. This is a quick way to verify everything succeeded. Then click Create. This moves you forward so you can begin building the automation that will handle the two-way updates. Finally, click Zaps. This takes you to the section where you create and manage your automated workflows. With your app connection set up, you are ready to build the zaps that sync changes between Notion and Google Sheets, and that is all there is to it.